Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. You have a table in an Azure Synapse Analytics dedicated SQL pool. The table was created by using the following transact SQL statement. You need to alter the table to meet the following requirements. Ensure that users can identify the current manager of employees. Support creating an employee reporting hierarchy for your entire company. Provide fast lookup of the manager's attributes such as name and job title. Which column should you add to the table? Option A. Manager employee ID, small int, null. Option B. Manager employee key, small int, null. Option C. Manager employee key, int, null. Option D. Manager name, varchar, 200, null. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, manager employee key, int, null. Question 2. You have an Azure Synapse workspace named My Workspace that contains an Apache Spark database named MyTestDB. You run the following command in an Azure Synapse Analytics Spark pool in My Workspace. Create table MyTestDB. My Parquet table. Employee ID int. Employee name string. Employee start date. Using Parquet you then use Spark to insert the row into MyTestDB. My Parquet table. The row contains the following data. 1 minute later, you execute the following query from a serverless SQL pool in My Workspace. Select employee ID from MyTestDB. DBO. My Parquet table where employee name equals Alice. What will be returned by the query? Option A. 24. Option B. An error. Option C. A null value. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A 24. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.